Hi everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how to download and install the latest version of Visual Studio Code in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Perfect for beginners in 2025. Let's get started. First, open any browser. I am using Chrome, but you can use Edge or any browser you like and search for Visual Studio Code. I will provide the link in my description also. You can click on it and it will be redirected to the official Visual Studio Code website. This is the official Visual Studio Code website by Microsoft. Click on it. Now on the home page, click on this big download for Windows button. The website automatically detect your operating system and give you the latest stable version. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file. This will open the Visual Studio Code setup. Now as you can see, the Visual Studio Code installer has opened. Accept the license agreement and click next. Now you can choose where you want to install it. I will leave it as default and click next. Click next again. Here comes an important step. You will see some checkboxes. Make sure to tick add to path. This will let you open Visual Studio Code directly from the terminal or command prompt. Very useful. And if you want, you can also tick create desktop icon. So it is easy to open from your desktop. Once done, click next and now click on install. It will take just a few seconds to install. Once it is done, keep Launch Visual Studio Code checked and click Finish. And there you go. Visual Studio Code has opened successfully. Now, the first time you open it, you will see welcome screen. In my case, since I have already used VS Code before, you won't see fresh welcome screen directly on my screen. But the first time you open it, you will see this welcome screen. Here, you will have some options to customize your setup. You can select your theme, dark mode, light mode, whatever you prefer. I will personally use dark mode most of the time. You will also get options to sign in with your GitHub or Microsoft account. That part is optional. You can skip it for now. Now, in your case, if you are opening VS Code for the first time, you might also get recommendation for install useful extensions. In my VS Code, most extensions are already installed. So, you might not see exactly what I am seeing. But for you, extensions like Live Server for running HTML files, Prettier for auto-formatting your code, or language-specific tools like JavaScript or Python support will appear as suggestion. Feel free to install them or skip and install later. Let me quickly explain the left side icons of VS Code, which are super useful. The very first icon at the top, this is Explorer. Here you will see all the projects, files and folders. Below that you have the search tool. This lets you search any word or piece of code inside your project. Next is source control, used for working with Git and GitHub, which we will cover in our next video. Then comes run and debug, where you can run your code and debug errors. And finally, you have extensions. Click this to browse and install any new extension directly inside VS Code. And that's it. Visual Studio Code is now installed and ready to use on your Windows computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and comment below what tutorial you did like to see next. Until then, keep learning and happy coding.